You ready?
I'm ready.
Hello and welcome back to Life on the Fringe. Today I'm very stressed, so I'm gonna paint. And I know what you're thinking. You're stressed. Why wouldn't you paint Bob Ross? Well, I do have a Bob Ross kit actually, but I was thinking he requires a lot of colors, and I don't know if it came with all the colors that it requires, but these came with colors. So I figured if I do these first, I have more colors for Bob Ross later. There's an old lady and she's gonna tell me how to paint online, which I think is kind of funny. So we're gonna be painting today. We each get our own box, even though there's two designs. So we have to do the same designs. We're watching the same video.
Okay.
So we're gonna have.
But it's not a competition.
Right. But we're gonna have two of the same paintings. We can't hang up both paintings, you know, if they turn out nice.
We can hang up both paintings. Just one of them will be higher than the other because...
It doesn't seem very relaxing anymore. We'll just give them as gifts. You can give yours to your mom.
Okay.
I'll give mine to my mom.
And whose mom loves their child the most afterwards wins.
Which will be equally, so it isn't a competition anymore. So here's your set.
Thanks.
So this set comes with paintbrushes of various sizes, a multitude of colors, step-by-step instructional guide, online video, and artist canvas boards. Also, it looks like a pencil sharpener. I don't know what that's for, but here we are. Now we need to open it. Anyhow, step-by-step instructional guide.
Is there a goddamn eraser in this? And a pencil? What kind of art are we doing?
And also one of these for texture. I don't know if this is for beginners, to be honest. We've got our little painting thing for paints. What is that called?
Palette? Palette, yeah. Oh, these are cute little thin. I thought this was gonna be a thick palette. That's just a little guy.
You thought this was gonna come with some nice thick canvas?
Yeah.
My friend, I don't think you remember how little we paid for this.
So let's pull up this little tutorial.
Yep.
Here we go. With Gisele Grenier.
Oh, it's a YouTube video.
Uh-huh. Acrylic, Series 2.
Hi there, my name is Gisele Grenier, and I'm a mixed
Grenier.
media portrait artist living in... We're only going to be starting right now with white and phthalocyanide blue. I would be calling this phthalo blue for short because the name is too long. So white and phthalo blue.
Hold on.
Flat.
White and what?
Phthalo blue.
Phthalocyanide blue, right?
Yeah.
This dark one?
Yeah. This is very Bob Ross-esque. He always...
With the liquid white?
With the liquid white. I hate this chair.
Don't hate the chair, hate the sitter. My chair is the same chair as yours, and I'm not squeaking.
I'd rather hate the person that built it.
That's still you.
That's still the sitter. Alright, I gotta move fast because this shit's going away.
Okay, I think I got it. Now what?
Now, you do like little X
Squares?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, it's very dark. Mine's dark. I need more white. Ah! I'm not ready!
I'm with you, Gisele, dude. Dude, these paints were just so fucking dry. Oh, yeah.
I'm not ready! How are you even there? Why are we doing this 2 times speed? I'm not ready.
She's just turning the whole thing blue. Just keep turning the thing blue.
Yours is a lot darker than mine.
Yeah, I'm going for winter forest.
Shit. You're also doing more horizontal work than I am. Are we supposed to be doing horizontal work?
That's what she said. That's what she started doing.
Well, you said she did X patterns at the top.
I'll do X patterns again if you want me to.
No, it's fine. It's just fine, you know? Whatever. You want to cheat? You can cheat.
Uh-oh, it's drying out. Gisele! Gisele, what do I do? Gisele! No! Gisele! Why?
Hey, you just gotta let it be, man. You just gotta let it ride. Okay, does this look okay?
Fantastic. How's my look?
Looks beautiful.
Yes. Okay. Let's go, Gisele.
Here's blue.
Here's blue.
It's not necessary. There we go.
So
Background trees at the tree line from the upside down.
yes.
See what I mean? Like, look at mine. Like ghost trees.
Yeah. Same. Okay. Got him.
Yours looks like actual, like a forest. I don't know, mine looks like a forest.
Ours look the same.
Your trees start below my tree line does.
Yes.
And now I have to let this dry. So we can paint over it.
Yeah, what does she do next?
Use your large brush. That's a great thing about these bristle brushes.
So we need to make a mist in the middle
Yeah.
with what?
White. Dampen the brush.
And then wipe off the excess. And then we with the mist. Don't even notice how little mist there is. Wow. Okay, how does my mist look?
Better than mine. Yours looks great. Mine is
Yours looks better than mine.
Yours looks like I'm in heaven.
Yours looks like a winter day.
Just relax and let the flow happen, and you'll be fine. Because you know what? What's the worst?
What's the worst that can happen?
We're gonna find out.
Just let the flow go and
Alright, so we need to make multiple kinds of dark colors.
I don't know why, but that's what she said.
I'm just gonna make this one a little more reddish by adding a little bit more brown. Okay. Now I'm gonna make my first tree. So these are the thick trees, right? Thick boys?
Thick trees.
Okay, I think I've got my layer of trees done.
Are you happy with it?
No, but you know. Well, yours are thicker than mine.
Yeah, I kind of committed pretty hardcore to thick. She probably wants them thin though.
Yours looks good.
There's just two.
So yours.
What's after this?
I don't know. I gotta stop doing stuff with the trees though. Just making it worse.
She does a shit ton of tree
Alright,
shit.
there's
Oh, yeah, good. Thank God. Okay. An hour and 13 minutes in.
Okay, I gotta make grass.
Uh,
We're gonna do that by mixing in greens with blues and yellows.
oh, I got greens.
Oh, that was way. Oh, there's darker. Okay. Good. We need darker. No. Cool. I like my grass.
Make sure you leave nice little pockets of sky showing through. And as the paint really starts to run out, come in and start putting in some foliage. This is the foliage that would be behind the scenes. You're not really painting every single leaf. You're painting the impression of the foliage.
I should have left mine dead.
Yep. What is this?
Okay, you got it. We're doing the impression of leaves, okay? It's abstract.
I'm not impressing anybody with this.
The water will help the branches dry out
It's
a lot.
gonna be okay. Just gotta keep telling myself it's gonna be okay.
Just be careful not to overdo your wrong color. Burnt umber, use the yellow blue.
Burnt umber.
There we go.
What the hell happened to my trees?
Tree. Foreground because it's much darker.
Yours look great.
I have to go through and redarken it brown, but I'm okay with where I'm at.
I'm not. I'm lost.
Water.
I think you've beat me.
There.
I mean, it doesn't look like hers. I'm not like that mad at it, you know?
Yeah.
Top here.
Here's where we're at.
And now we're adding flowers to help.
Yellow ochre triangles.
Round triangles.
Round triangles.
Okay, now I need the light yellow. Now, what is she doing with this? Just going over the top of where we were?
Yeah.
I think I want to do like a stem, but I'm gonna do it in this dark blue. Okay. And now we're done?
We're done.
Okay, shall we do our final reveals?
Yeah, sure.
Ta-da!
Okay.
With yours.
Here's mine.
I like your flowers. See, you're okay. The dots make sense on yours.
Yeah.
Mine are just little dandelion puffs.
Little dandelion puffs, yeah. I tried to go for more like a tulip kind of shape to them. But here's this. Ta-da.
It's not the worst thing I've ever painted.
No. I don't know if her style really works with acrylics though. I felt very rushed.
We hit it on 2x
2x speed.
So I hope you had a relaxing time watching us paint. You know, maybe it'll make you feel better about your own painting abilities. Because even if you can't paint, it doesn't mean it can't be relaxing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our content where we try new things, click subscribe. And if you, to comment below positive things, positive vibes. Much appreciated. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.
Bye.